to the channel. Um, I want to thank a lot of people who still support the journey through Facebook. A lot of you, I still notice you on my Instagram too. It's much appreciated. So I'm coming back on YouTube. I'm going to be taking you guys on my rides when I go riding to a lot of places. So I hope I get some of your support and a lot of riders out there. Say hi when you see me on the streets, and yeah, let's get this going. So I'm gonna be taking you guys out. We're going to be going out to a place called Nuvali. I'll be taking the videos along the way, and if we meet other riders, we'll be interacting with them. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna be taking two of my friends. I'm not sure if they're up yet. I already texted them, but the both of them didn't reply, so I know they're asleep because they sleep late. Okay. See you out there, guys. Let's go. So along this road, this basically like from the circle that we circulate on, it's Greenfield Road. It's like an easy access to Paseo outlet. Most riders who ride, they use this road. Yeah, it's kind of weird though. Today we didn't meet a lot of riders along the road, just us. So yeah, just going directly. As you can see, got beautiful houses, beautiful scenery too. Like, yeah, I was talking a lot though because I was the leader, and I wanted to tell you guys, but my audio was pretty bad since I was using my headset. A lot of wind was blowing through my ears. It was like, but yeah, that's like the park. I usually park there and take some videos for you guys. Most of you who follow me on Facebook and Instagram, you already know the kinds of videos that I make. You can see my friends are smiling, you know I'm already saying nonsense. So by this point, like, my friends were already hungry, so we already headed to the local fast food shop, Jollibee. So yeah, we were passing through this subdivisions. It's pretty beautiful, cold. Okay. Pagtapos na ito, iikot kami ng mundo, buong mundo, diba? Iikot tayo buong mundo. Yeah, we're going around the world. So at this point, my mic was like pissing me off because it wasn't working. We were outside and all the audio was being interrupted by the wind. But anyways, yeah, we got the food, we ate, and then took some pictures when we were about to leave. Then we were heading home. But on our way home, we were like, nah, we just left way too quickly. So we went back on the highway and headed out to Enchanted Kingdom. Most of my footage from that side wasn't taken. I'll probably be able to take better footage when I get my chest strap. Yeah, so we drove through here and went back the other way. But yeah, you guys should enjoy the scenery. Let's go. So now we are about at the end of our ride. We basically came here to Enchanted Kingdom because it was along the way. Took some pictures and yeah, I think that's it for the video. So like and subscribe, guys. Love you. See you in the next video. Let's go.